Memo, 10, loved chess. America. His nemesis. Like Chivas was. Tonight, Clasico night.to. Round of 16. Dad yelled, "Memo, focus!" Memo sighed. America scored. Dad groaned. "It's like you playing black, always losing." Memo mumbled, "Not always." Suddenly, the TV died. Static. The cable. Dad wailed. Memo grinned. "I know how to fix it." He grabbed Dad's America jersey. Used it as an antenna booster. Miraculously it worked. Chivas won. Dad, dumbfounded, stared at the jersey. Memo smirked. Sometimes, even black wins. Desperation makes strange bedfellows and fixes bad reception. Also, maybe support both chess and a balanced team.